Hello, here we will discuss about line of regression. Suppose suppose that two variables x and y are related approximately as y equal to a plus bx, where y is called the response variable and x is called the predictor variable. Alternatively, we can say y is also called dependent variable and x is called the independent variable. If it is appropriate to think of x as determined independently of the equation and to think of y as explained at least in part by the equation, then x is often called an exogenous variable and y an endogenous variable. In this case, x is also called an explanatory variable. So this is basic information about regression line y equal to a plus bx. So if the variable in a bivariate distribution are related, we will find that the points in the scatter diagram will cluster around some curve called the curve of regression. If the curve is straight line, it is called the line of regression. And there is said to be linear regression between the variables. Otherwise, regression is said to be curvilinear. So regression analysis is a very powerful tool in the field of statistical analysis in predicting the value of one variable given the value of another variable when those variables are related to each other. So regression line for two variables x and y, there are always two line of regression. First one is known as regression line of x and y, gives the best estimate for the value of x for any specific given values of y. We can write x is equal to a plus by, where a is known as intercept value. Suppose this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So this is the x cut point. This is the intercept of x. That is the a value from origin to here, this one. And b is a slope of line. This is the slope of line. And x is known as the dependent variable and y is known as the independent variable. This is basic information of regression line of x and y. And another where regression line of y on x gives the best estimate for the value of x for any specific given value of y, where we can write y equal to a plus bx, where x is an intercept value, where a is the x intercept value and b is the slope of the line and x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. This is the basic information about line of regressions where two lines x on y and y on x. Thank you.